If your back is stiff, tight, or achy, often it's the stress of life that we carry in our bodies. This gentle 10-minute practice is going to release that tension, calm your mind, and restore a sense of peace and balance to your body, mind, and spirit. Let's begin in child's pose. You can take the knees as wide as it feels comfortable for you, or as close together. Try extending the arms out in front of you, feeling that gentle stretch in the shoulders and the upper back, all the way down to the lower back. Relax the neck. And relax into your breath. Begin to release the pose, walking the hands back towards the knees, coming to a straight spine. Moving into tabletop. And take as many cat-cows as it feels comfortable for you. You can move quickly or slowly. And when you're ready, come to a neutral spine. Lift the right arm up. We're going to thread the needle, and we're going to make it a moving motion of thread the needle. So come down into your thread the needle, and then gently lift back up, and then thread the needle, and lift back up. If this feels comfortable for you, if you would rather go in to thread the needle and hold the pose, please do that. And then bring the body to neutral, back in tabletop. Make any micro movements that you feel called to before we take it on the left side. And then when you're ready, lifting the left arm high up to the sky and going into this movement, or if you would prefer, to settle down into thread the needle in stillness. Honor your body's intuition. coming back to neutral through tabletop and then down onto your belly, moving into Sphinx pose. Check that your elbows are directly underneath the shoulders. The head is in alignment with the spine. The hips and the pelvic area are rooted into the earth, and your legs are relaxed. Close down your eyes and relax into the breath. Get ready to release the pose by bringing the head down, stacking the hands, and just resting the forehead for a moment. And then push through tabletop over onto your sit bones, extending your legs out in front of you. Inhale the arms high up and exhale, fold forward into your seated forward fold. Long, deep breathing so you can let go of any tension and tightness. And the long, deep breathing also relaxes the mind, begins to calm the nervous system. Begin to release the pose, rolling up one vertebrae at a time to a straight spine. And then roll down onto your back and bring the knees into the chest. Hug the knees in. Maybe a little rock from side to side. And then bring the soles of the feet to the earth. Cross the right ankle over the top of the left knee, coming into reclined pigeon pose, also known as figure 4. Take whatever variation works for your body today. And notice if stillness will work to release the tension and the tightness, or a slight rock on the lower back. Close down the eyes and go deep into the breath. you're ready, release. And take it to the opposite side. Left ankle across the right knee. Pick your variation that works for you today. And then once you find it, close down your eyes and relax into the breath. When you're ready, release and hug both knees into the chest again. Maybe it feels right to touch your nose to your knees, maybe a little rock back and forth. Honor your body's intuition. Just stretch so that you can release. And then when you're ready, drop the knees over towards the right, coming into the spinal twist. Come back to center and gently bring the knees over towards the left, twisting open. Relax into the breath. Come back to center. Make any final little movements before you release and relax into Shavasana. And in your Shavasana, this moment where you get to relax and be still, I'm going to release you and give you the time, the place, and the space to stay as long as your body intuition wants, as your spirit calls to, as time allows you. There's nowhere to be. Nothing needs to be done. And the only responsibility you have is to relax, to release, to completely let go so that you can absorb the benefits of the practice and step into the rest of your day feeling lighter, more flexible, more balanced in the body, more peaceful in the mind, and more uplifted in the spirit. So as you listen to my voice, continue to relax so that you can completely release, to let go and just be.